Hi guys, welcome to Nana's channel. Today I'm gonna be going on a road trip. It's my day off, so I'm starting with packing. Here is my camera gear. It's a lot, you guys. It's a lot, and I don't even have so many followers. So you guys, if you're watching this video, click on the subscribe button. Don't be like me. You don't need a lot. You just need your phone and a good microphone, and that's it. But for me, I'm a camera junkie. I need this camera just in case. I need this just in case. But usually I don't end up using all of them. So that's why I'm telling you guys, you don't need all of this, okay? Look at me. My subscriber count is very low, but this is my lifestyle. I love cameras. That's why I'm buying all of them. Don't mind this side of the house, you guys. I was just ironing the other day going to work, and I just left my ironing box over there. And those are some of the shoes that I was wearing, and those are my jackets, and this is my beautiful plant. So far it's doing okay. It's reviving, but it was dying. If you can see, like, the leaves are dried out and some of the branches are dried out as well. It's because where I was living before, I was not exposing it to enough sunshine, but right now it's close to the window, so it's getting revived. I'm so glad it's not dead yet. This is my GoPro and accessories, so everything GoPro is in here. Let's open it. So now, as you all know, I have two GoPros. Usually one I put it outside the car if I'm driving on a road trip, and the other one inside the car. This is not part of it. I just put it there because it's a loose bag with my microphone and I have no place to put it, so I usually just put it there with my GoPros. But anyways, these are my GoPros. This is the GoPro 12 Hero Black. And then this is the GoPro 9. This was my first GoPro. You guys, don't focus on my nails. They're terrible. I'm broke. So if you can come through for my nails, thank you. This GoPro Hero 9, it was my first GoPro. It's still intact. It's still perfectly working. It works better than the Hero 12 in my opinion. The Hero 12 heats up real quick. And then we have the GoPro tripods for both the two GoPros. And then we have one extra charger. And on this pocket usually is my GoPro chargers and my speaker chargers. These are my microphones. There are 3, so if I'm doing an interview with somebody, we can share. Oh my gosh, this is a case actually. In this case, really protected. It's the Rode microphone. This is my DJI. It's the drone bag. This is the DJI, the smallest one, the one that weighs 249 kgs, that anybody can fly without needing any certificates or qualifications. So again, this is the charger, these are the batteries, 3 sets of batteries, and then this is the drone, and then this is the controller. Underneath here is the controller. Yeah, pretty much. These are some of the lenses. I don't know if you call them lenses, but I got extra propellers in here. This is my camera. This is like a real camera. Like, I bought this camera 4 years ago, and the number of times I've used it is countable. It's how do you call it? It's a Sony 6400 Alpha. Is that what they call it? I think so. So this is the Sony camera. Yeah, fully charged. I usually also carry it in case, just in case. A girl gotta be ready. We also have this, I don't know if they call it lens. I don't know what you call this. If I want, like, to add more depth of something. Insta360 flow, you guys. Look at this beast. If you're wondering, this is not a camera. This is a camera stand. Should I call it tripod? So one of those that follows you around, especially if you're doing a cooking video, or like you just want to place it somewhere and it follows you around. It does not like move, but it makes the camera, when you attach the camera to this, it moves like, is it 360 or 180 degrees? Yeah, so it will move around. So if you want to like give a feel of like you're moving and somebody is actually recording you, this is what you go for. This is what you go for. And the chargers, and it comes with its own light over here. more of a ring light, but this is not a ring light. I don't know what to call it. And then it comes with its magnet that you attach to your phone. I promise this is the last set of cameras, and I'm not buying more cameras. So this is Insta360 set of cameras and accessories. Insta360, you guys. So when we start with here, these are the chargers. So I believe this is the SSD charger. I will show you what that is. It's the storage. It's the Samsung storage. So I usually just put it here because I don't have anywhere else to keep it. And then this is the Go 3 Insta360 Go 3 charger. And then this is the X3. This is the Insta360 X3 charger, and then I think this is my iPhone earphones. When you flip that part, then you come to the cameras and accessories. Now, I bought this thing on Amazon. It's just like sort of those camera holders that you can you can attach it to a tree and attach your camera over here, and wherever you are, you can just roll it over. It's very flexible. So I got this from Amazon. And then this is the Insta360 X3 in its case. So yeah, I try so much to protect it because it's expensive, and I don't want to I do not want to. So this is the X3, if you can see, Insta360 X3, and this is the lens case, and this is the screen, and I put this black case to just give it more protection, because this one, if you drop it, it's gone. $500 gone down the drain. When you come to this side, this is the Insta360 Go 3. Yeah, I'm even confused. This is the X3 and this is the Go 3. This is the smallest camera in the world. This is the size of it. Literally, this is the camera, so you can remove it. It looks like a GoPro when it's on the case, but this part, it's removable, and that's the camera. So you can attach it. It has magnet, so you can attach it to any metal, and you just put it there and you go recording. It has also tendons. Is it tendons? This is the thing you hang on your neck, and then you attach the Go 3 to it so that it's on your chest, and you can just record things and people hands-free. You attach the X3 over here, and then you actually put it you want to be safe, and then you hold it. So I don't know how I can Okay, you guys, ignore my background. I really didn't want to show my background because my house is not that organized. It's one of those days and I don't want to organize it. But anyways, I needed to show you how this bulletin equipment works. So if you see those videos, I'm gonna put a sample of a video done in bulletin on your screen. If you see such videos, this is how you do it. So you attach the Insta360 Go 3, which is a 360 camera. Once you attach it like this, you can pull it. You can pull it as long as you want, but usually, yeah, just a comfortable length. And then let me go back. Oh my gosh, my background is so bad. But anywho's, you just turn it on, and you put it on bulletin settings, and then you just go, you can swivel it in cycles like this. And then that's it. It edits itself. Or you can also swivel it like this, vertically. Is this vertical? Yeah, vertically, horizontal, cyclically. I know you get the point. So this is the equipment for it. Once you're done, you can detach it. Is that this thing comes with this shape of it at the head. So if it's stuck to the camera, if you see here, you can just measure it in the exact measurement, and yeah, you turn it anti-clockwise, and that's it. It's really well thought of device. The shorter you make it, the more stable the video is gonna be. So what you do is you put it like a necklace on your neck, and you put it like this on your underneath your shirt or whatever you're wearing. And then this is the Go 3. It's in its case. I bought this case from Amazon, you guys, but this is the Go 3. Let's remove it. I'm even forgetting how to, yeah, you press on there like that. So this is the camera. This is what I'm telling you, this is the smallest camera in the world. This is the camera, and you can talk to it, ask it to start recording and all that. But anyways, this thing, you attach it like this, and you see it's attached. So you can just attach it like that, and you go recording people hands free and stuff, and do your thing. So if you've seen those is it called POV or FOV videos, this is how they do it, my people. This thing also attaches to any metal because it's magnetic. So I'm just gonna give you an example. So if you're cooking somewhere, you can just attach it there. So this is, I don't know, do I have any metal here? I don't have a metal. I carry this with me everywhere. It's just a little bit heavy for my key holder. Otherwise, I would put it in my key holder. This is a SSD, the Samsung portable SSD storage device. So I can always edit my videos from this because, you know, my computer or my phone cannot contain the large amount of videos and clips that I get. So this one is 4 terabytes. Is it 4 or 5? I think this is just the brand, but I think it's 4 terabyte. Yeah, it's 4 terabyte. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, 4 terabyte over there. And then I have this, which I used to connect to my laptop. You guys, if you're using MacBook, you understand the struggle. I don't know why Apple and its products is just making us do this, but if you have a MacBook, makes life so difficult. So you need this because like you have just 2 ports on that MacBook, and they are actually USB-C ports. So one is for charging your device, the other one if you put one phone or one camera. And I always edit from different cameras, so I can have a GoPro, I can have maybe videos from my drone, or I can have some from my phone. So I need like multiple. So this one has multiple ports. So it has 2 USB, it has a USB-C port, it has the one that carries the, you know, the thingy. I don't know how to call them, you guys, but it carries this micro SD. So I put my micro SD in here, and then I put it in here, and I can edit it from here. So this one is a lifesaver for people who are using MacBooks, whoever got me into MacBooks. And then you guys, the other thing that I do have is this thingy. I got it from Akinyi. Any fans of Akinyi out there? Akinyi, the lady, the Kenyan girl who married, she was on 90 Day Fiance. If you know her, I got that idea from her, and I got this from Amazon. It comes in handy because it carries all my SSD cards, and also when I want to edit, I just pull out one, and you know what? Life continues. I also got this Samsung Ultra S24 Ultra. Is that what they call them? Samsung S24 Ultra. I saw very good reviews about it, and I decided, you know what? Let's start switching to Android. It's about time. The other thing I carry in my camera bag is this beautiful, gorgeous Ulanzi light. So this thing is so portable. It's magnetic, so it attaches to magnetic stuff. I don't know if I can show you. You see, it has, this is magnetic because it attaches to my Go 3. So So let's say you're cooking, you can just put it over there and it attaches. Let me show you. Msije mkasema that I'm lying. So this is my oven, you guys. I don't know why it's ashy. It looks ashy, but can we put it here? Maybe. Okay guys, so this is my Ulanzi portable light. You can use this, you can use this to attach it to your camera, either your GoPro or your actual camera, you know, the traditional camera. So you just put it here, and you need like a horseshoe or something, I don't know what they call those things, and down here you attach it there. So I usually just leave this here just in case I need to attach it, but I don't need it. If you're recording where there's anything magnetic, you just, do you see it over here, you guys, or down here? So if I'm cooking, if I'm doing a cooking video, I would just come in. Yeah. How do you turn it on? Let there be light. Doop. Then when you're cooking, pretty much. There's something that I bought on Amazon that came with this. This is a very strong adhesive, and this side is metal. So if you don't have any metallic place, you can attach it to that, and then on this side you can peel the adhesive and attach it to a surface which is not metallic. So let's say you want to attach it to, say, this wall, and this wall is not metallic. You'll just come in and attach it on it. The reason why I'm holding is because the adhesive is not removed, and I don't want to remove the adhesive right now because I will use it somewhere else. I don't want to waste. I carry this extension, very handy. It has like it's a little dirty, you guys. It has like 2 USB ports where you can just directly attach your USB, and then it has all this. I want to buy that small portable one that has most of USB ports, because a lot of like cameras now are coming with USB ports, but a few are also coming with like USB-C ports, which a lot of extensions don't have, like the Samsung Ultra S24 Ultra. It came with like both ends is USB-C, so you need like an actual charging thingy, this, to actually charge it. So I also carry these. So anyways guys, that's a whole video. I think I'm just gonna stop there and maybe continue with this journey, because I meant to do a pack with me. Clothes are not yet for this. I'm on my day off. Today is Friday, and I'm thinking of going on a road trip to Tofino. Tofino from where I am right now is about 4 hours, and I thought I would wake up early and do stuff, but you know, my mind has a way of playing games with me, and I woke up at 11, took my time, showered, got ready. Now I was doing a pack with me video, and I was gonna pack everything, but I think the camera is just enough, you guys. So see you in my next video.